Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Magic Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm so glad you're joining me today because we're doing a magical dancing corn experiment. I don't know if you've ever made corn dance, but it's awesome. So I'm excited that you're going to see that today and try it. But first, we're going to play Spot the Quapples, our favorite game. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find them all. There are 5 Quapples. They're hidden at the movie theater concession stand because that's where my favorite popcorn is from. Haven't been to the movies in a while, so this is bringing back some good memories. There's 5 of them. The Quapple, of course, our education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it. So about 15 seconds left. If you're able to find them, let me know. Let me know you're watching this morning. Hopefully you're excited to make some corn dance today. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer. Were you able to find them all? I know that one in the top left, pretty small. But I like to make it challenging for you in the morning. Wake your eyes up. So, for the dancing corn experiment, you are going to need to gather a tall jar or glass. A mason jar works pretty well. I used a vase, actually, a clear vase. You'll need an 1/8 to a 1/4 cup of popping corn, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a cup of vinegar, and 2 cups of water. Super simple experiment and super fun. So you may remember when we learned about the classic chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar when we made our homemade snow a few months ago. We melted our snowman because he was made of baking soda and conditioner with vinegar, and it created all these fun bubbles. It's going to be hot this week, so you might as well make your own snow and stay inside. We'll put that episode in the comments so you can watch it. But what is going to happen here? Same thing. This is chemistry, which is all about states of matter, including solids and gases. A chemical reaction occurs between 2 or more substances that change and form a new substance. In this case, we have our acid, the vinegar, and the base, baking soda, combining to make a gas called carbon dioxide, which will produce an eruption, which is what you saw in that last video. So we're also going to be seeing some lingering bubbles that will cause the corn to dance. I just kind of want to look at all these bubbles. I like these bubbles, but that's just me. So first, you'll put your water in your vase, then you'll add your baking soda. Mix that up really well so it's nice and clear. Then you'll add your popping corn. You can also add food coloring if you'd like, but I'd only do a couple drops so the water isn't too dark so you can see your corn dancing. Then when you're ready, you'll add that vinegar. I put a tray under my glass because the bubbles will overflow and it saved me some cleanup on the counters. But that carbon dioxide, those bubbles, lift the corn up, but as those bubbles pop, the corn falls back down and causing it to look like they're dancing in the liquid here. This actually lasted a really long time. I left it and came back about 10 minutes later. They were still dancing. Pretty cool. A couple of them this morning were still floating up at the top, being held up by some lingering bubbles. So that's pretty awesome, I'd say. You can keep adding vinegar to keep the corn dancing for as long as you'd like. You can also add more baking soda just to keep the eruption going so that those bubbles keep forming and making your popcorn dance. Pretty cool, right? I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can try it for yourself and you can make your own snow today. 2 in 1 in today's Quest Bite. So I hope you join us on Wednesday because we have another fun experiment that will teach us the difference in water density of salt and fresh water. That's Wednesday right here at 9:30. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge and thanks for watching.